6:45.
Hi everyone. Let's go. Nice.
Hi. Nalaksan ang kamay.
Turn on the lights.
Surprise! Happy birthday!
The cell phone didn't work. Sorry. Surprise. Almost trying to call in. Surprise! Hopefully you're not too tired. All your kids are here, all your family and friends from church. And I go from far, far away. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Daddy. Happy birthday to you. And if you want to come up here and bless the food. Okay. Dad, tonight's your night. Bless the Lord, these are gifts.
Say happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Uncle. We love you.
How you laughed when I cried. Each time I saw the tide take our love letters in the sand.
Is it you, or is it me? I do exist. It's so good when you are near me. Now that you're gone, gone forever, you will always be remembered. Mother, can you hear me? The rain, I hope it washes away the pain, but that will bring you back again. Mother, I will see you in heaven someday. Please forgive me for being away when you needed me.
Yeah. Happyvalley wish we could be there. You don't look like a 60-year-old, you look like a 59-year-old.
About the thing, don't you worry about the thing, why? Cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Gonna be alright now. I say you don't worry about the thing, why? Because cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Forever, not for better. Some have gone and some remain.
Thank you so much, because I didn't expect this. Because my kids know that if they say that they're going to do this, I'm not going to approve of it. You know, I just want a simple barbecue behind the backyard with singing and dancing, and that's it. I don't want... But I'm so glad tonight that they can manage to put this together, which shows now that they can, in life, they are matured enough to face life and to try and bring families together and friends. And I think that's the most important thing. It's not about the...
Hey! 1, 2, oh! You can't go for 3! 2! 1, 2, 3! Turn around!